Physics is everywhere, from the time we wake up in the morning until the time we go to bed. There is physics evolved everywhere. Have you ever wondered why the sun appears reddish during the sunrise and the sunset? So the basic reason behind this is the sun actually emits a white light which actually into its component colors is known as Vibgyor, which actually represents the component colors. The red light has the highest wavelength among the other colors. More the wavelength, the lesser will be the scattering. This is the reason even though the distance between the sun is more during the sunrise and the sunset from the earth, the red light due to its higher wavelength does not get scattered much. As a result, the sun appears red during sunrise and sunset. Have you ever wondered why we tend to move in front when a car applies a brake? It is basically due to inertia. So now you all might be wondering what is inertia? It basically means the tendency to remain unchanged. In simple words, we can say that if the object remains in rest, it will continue to remain in rest, or if the body moves in motion, it will continue to remain in motion unless an external force is applied. Let us understand inertia in a better way using the coin drop experiment, wherein a card is placed above the glass and a penny is placed on top of the card. So now what we'll do is we'll remove the card which was underneath the penny. So now what we observe is that after removing the card, the penny which was basically at rest reacts with the external gravitational force which pulls it into the glass. Thank you for watching.